Hey, I'm Fish. I wish this was like a GoPro auto low light, because I think I forgot to do again. Switch it on over to regular video mode. I'm going. Go, gadget. I gotta head back. Gotta go get my phone. The phone's important, so I can use the camera. Not at all. Just in case I need to get with Joe or get with Bizwax. So yeah, cleaned up my plant, getting ready to go in. Yes, indeed. Get ready for the cold. Try this again. Get on going. Let's get down to the bay and see what it looks like at the water's edge. Tim Brown. Yes, indeed. He's telling me in this video, Fish, you got the two best cameras in the world, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You don't need to get a DJI Nano or a Go Ultra by Insta360. You got a good family, the X5, the Ace Pro, and the Action 5 Pro. My sis has the Pocket 3. Maybe I'll get it back from her one day. I'm glad I'm not above on that traffic. Oh man, it was just like a standstill, like that red light. I'm a bicyclist. That's a scooter, a pedestrian, a walker in my path. Let's head on down to the shore. The Admiral Francis. That's the new boat that was the Captain Jeff. So check it on out. It's probably ready to go on out. A giant scarecrow. Man, he is scary. I don't know. People got a hunk. Hey, I'm coming. I'm going. Was it going too slow? Check out the building, the progress in effect. Oh, man, I had to do a double take. That was awesome. I haven't been down here in a while. The wind is kicking. Gates are closed. It's low tide. You got algae. Yes, indeed, seaweed for you. The drainage, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what the rocks are there for. But they didn't do the one that's closest to us. The sun. You're not going to see that today. Back over there, the tent's up. You used to be able to walk there, not worry. You got barbecue pits, places that are now occupied. Oh yeah, what a wonderful day it is. Beautiful day for adventure 2 by Cannondale. I got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro happening in daytime with the Pro settings all set up and the DJI mic in the wind ruffling about. Oh yeah, I went back to Lowe's. I did my garden, cleaning up the lemon tree and the pineapple and all that good stuff. Oh man, only if I had my Sony HX90V, and maybe they'll come out the new Sony point and shoot, maybe a 35 or 40 optical zoom. Oh, that Pentax, man, that, what is it, 1,000 times zoom or something? That will look awesome. That's what I'm watching. Come on in. Oh yeah, the gears are not down for the landing yet. But yeah, 19 miles away. It'll be there in 10 minutes time. Who could that be? It ain't going to be Delta no more. It's got an American flag. American Airlines. Will America go out of JFK anymore? Or would Delta just walk away because JFK is being built up again? Just amazing how we just leave, like Pan Am did years ago. Well, I'm heading on back. I had my day out, my journey, my adventure, my share, my talk, my show. My show. People scream, they see a camera that like a siren, and they talk to the show. Let's get on going. You need a motorcycle? It's there for you. Oh, yes, indeed. Gotta pull to the side. Very creative indeed. Honk, honk, honk. That's all we ever do. Honk, honk, honk. Well, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure on this beautiful day. It's time for me to go get back and not meet up with Joe, but take care of the beeswax. 3 vlogs. I gotta get going, gotta get doing, gotta get showing. Whew. Catch you on the next one. Little peace and quiet.